Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today Tesla is dropping sharply. It's dropping, let me see, minus 3.65%. Okay, it's dropping sharply. It is a catastrophe. Tesla is not looking good right now. It is a bear trend and we don't see any meaningful bullish signal on Tesla right now. So is there any hope for Tesla? What it takes for it to reverse right now? And if it doesn't reverse, then when would it stop dropping at least? So I will try to answer all of these questions in this video. So guys, if you are already my subscribers, please click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because I do daily videos on Tesla and many other stocks. Today I did a video on Mullen as well. So seriously, I think you're gonna like this channel, daily analysis. Now, Tesla is in a bear trend. We don't see any meaningful bullish signal. And in the daily chart, since it is ignoring the 38.2% retracement, it is totally ignoring it, okay? This retracement is not holding Tesla at all. Usually, when this happens, when Tesla ignores the first retracement, it usually seeks a support level at the 50% retracement. When it hits the 38.2, it bounces back up, it respects the first retracement, but it loses it afterwards. Usually it seeks the 61.8% retracement. Right now that's not the case, so at least this is good, okay? This is good news at least, right, in some way. I mean, it is not perfect, but it is telling us that, okay, we have a clear support level around the 50% retracement, which is around $954 at this moment. So, okay, maybe it's gonna hit there. When we analyze the Nasdaq index, for instance, the Nasdaq respected the 38.2 for a brief moment, and right now it is losing it. When this happens, it usually ignores the 50% and it seeks the 61.8% retracement. We are not there yet, so yes, if you ask me, there is still a little bit more downside potential on the Nasdaq of 1%. So yes, Tesla could drop more, okay? It could drop all the way down to the 50% retracement right now, which is a 3% drop. That's reasonable. We shouldn't be surprised if this happens in the future, okay? But right now, it is trying to react. It is not a perfect, meaningful reaction, but it is trying to react. As you guys already know, I firmly believe Tesla is going to hit 1087. That's my next personal target in Tesla. It is leaving this gap above the price. What's more, Tesla has been gapping down many times. So right now we have 3 gaps to fill, and any meaningful bullish reaction in Tesla would be just an excuse for us to buy right now. Again, because my target is 1087, considering the current price, well, we have roughly more than 10% upside potential, so this is quite good. But the problem is we don't see any meaningful bullish reaction. What it takes for Tesla to do a meaningful bullish reaction? Well, first, I think Tesla must close today. Close above $984 roughly, okay? That's the most important support level in Tesla. And so far, Tesla is holding there, okay? It is holding. The price is holding at this support level. It seems some investors are clearly buying Tesla at this moment, and this is why it is not dropping more today. So if we close above this support level, great. It's gonna be our first bullish signal. Next, I think Tesla needs to do another bullish structure, like a higher high, higher low, and in my opinion, it must break today's high in order to confirm a bullish structure in the daily chart at least. Because if it breaks today's high, then Tesla will have real high chances of filling this gap and making this gap an exhaustion gap. And as the name suggests, exhaustion gaps, they are a sign of exhaustion, meaning the bear trend is already exhausted. So we gotta proceed extremely carefully in Tesla right now, because we do have some reasons to be optimistic. Okay, yes, it is near support level, but we don't see any meaningful reaction. So if you wanna buy Tesla right now, if you wanna try to catch the dip, Okay, you have good reasons. We are in a support level. We are trying to hold this support level. Although we don't have a crystal clear buy signal, we are holding at this support level. So good. Okay, good. I understand if you want to buy some shares right now. I would not advise to go all in Tesla. Okay, do not go all in right now in this circumstance because it is a quite risky circumstance. Okay, of course we do have a high risk reward ratio right now at this moment, but still I would go easy. Always follow a very nice strategy, and if you want a very good and solid trading methodology, well, consider subscribing our trading newsletter. Join us over here. Our performance is incredible. We have a brutal, very good performance, and what's even more interesting, my past performance is totally public. Every single one of my trades I share in this public document. So yeah, consider joining us because it is a proven, very solid trading methodology. Hardly you're gonna be disappointed. So seriously, consider subscribing. Now, another problem is, it seems Tesla is starting to get weaker at this moment, and this is not good because Tesla starts to get more sensitive to any bad catalyst, and this reinforces our idea that Tesla might retest the 50% retracement. Okay, so the odds are very high. I would say, Nathan, do you believe Tesla will go up or down from here? Well, it is 50-50 to me. Okay, it's just 50-50. All right. However, since the trend is bullish, long-term speaking, of course, I favor long trades. I mean, Tesla could drop all the way down to the 21 EMA, and this is it in the weekly chart. This is it. It could react nicely over here and do another pivot point, fly again to the 1400s probably, which is the next target, which is near this green line up here. Okay, so yeah, I think that's a very plausible scenario. And if Tesla drops more, in my humble opinion, it will only get more and more attractive because again, I firmly believe that's my personal target, 1087. That gap is gonna be filled in the future, so we just gotta pay attention to how Tesla is gonna behave in the next few days, because if it gives us any meaningful bullish signal, that's gonna be our lead to buy it. So yeah, I think the situation is looking quite good. The more it drops, the better it gets. So I think now is the time to patiently wait on the sidelines. If you are in Tesla already, just hold it. This is my recommendation. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I think about Tesla at this moment. So my friends, if this video helped you, remember, subscribe to this channel, click on the like button. I mean, it is about time for you to subscribe, alright? You watch it so far, you probably like it, the content. Thank you very much for watching so far. Stay safe. Farewell.